we don't ever ride together, Joe.
This thing. Awesome. We'll go get the car.
Boogity, boogity, boogity.
All the veins over there.
Here's our first probe. Oh, shoot, sorry. There we go.
That's what I'm talking about. 5,300. Bring it on, bring it on.
Nice, nice, nice. That's a good probe.
Take it.
Oh, let's probe. We got to probe and go.
Yeah, it started coming right towards us. That's going to be a direct. I'm in.
That's a good one right here.
Yeah, and it's not going to shift. Oh, it's glitching bad for me.
Oh my God.
Holy shit. 4K?
Oh yeah.
4,400?
We're getting,
Hadn't even touched our probe yet. That's a direct hit.
Boop. Stop, 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 stop.
There we go right there. Holy shit.
That's what I'm talking about. 85.33.
Oh, look, 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 look.
Oh, 11.5. Wow.
Yes.
Tornado, I'm gonna get an intercept offer in the field, in the middle of the field.
That's a hit. I think it just grew on top of our
It's
probe.
chasing us.
We just
We
got
were getting chased
legendaries,
down
man.
the road. I think we're good now.
Probe here? Oh yeah, let's probe here. Oh, let's hurry. We got time. We got time. We need to probe now. Oh, this is gonna be a close call, Joe. I'm probed though. Let's go.
Tornado,
There we go. There we go. There we go, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh,
Yes.
Good job.
We are the Dominator.
Wow. Hell yeah. Don't need no stinking dominator.